hard when you know something's inside. Oh, yeah.
Check it out.
Look at me.
Check it
How
out.
about this?
Check
She's
it
looking at
out.
you, David.
Hey, Daddy, what should we do here?
You stopped looking at me.
Yeah. You better play in your box. You better play in your box. Hello, my friend. Hello, sweetness.
I just gotta make sure I got everybody's attention.
Mm-hmm. You deserve it.
Alright, here it goes.
You deserve it.
You're the smart girl. I know you are. Not so yes, you are. Oh, you got me cracked up. Yes, you do. Oh.